Friends, hi! Today I will show you my new spring purchases. I mostly bought some larger and some really cool makeup. Help me to choose the best outfits and tell me if it's worth the money I paid for it. In this spring, I want soft and light shades. This wonderful, tenderly pink color. Also this soft green color and some white clothing, of course. This juicy green from Zara, just $10. The smooth, flowing texture of silk, combined with a delicate lace, always look elegant and luxurious. In this night shirt, I love combination in green silk and black lace. This looks so fresh. I also bought this wonderful hair clip. The pure hair clip from Stefania brand costs $10. And I buy this cushion Restaurant. The Restaurant cushion offers a silky skin and sun protection, price $55. These are luxury cosmetics with excellent ingredients. And this mascara. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Exact Rise Volume Mascara in black. It promises to give you up to 9 times more volume and last up to 28 hours. It has a special curved brush to separate and curl the lashes perfectly. Wow, this is so wonderful. I very recommend this mascara. It also costs $50. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. Right now, the only makeup I'm wearing is mascara. Also, I have this cherry suits from Oyo. And so cute, sweet shorts. The ruffles on the shorts resemble butterfly wings and create a romantic vibe. This outfit is also perfect for hot weather. This item is made of natural silk. It feels very pleasant against the skin. I also bought the same suits but in white color. This one white top from Victoria's Secret and white pants. They look like this one. This is really comfortable and so cute. and that color is wonderful. They look the same like this pink one. So I really like this suit, that's why I want both it in 2 colors. I also see red color, but I prefer this. This is so tendery and soft. I love how the suits fit on my figure. That's how the suit looks like from behind. Thanks to these clothes, I am in a good mood every day. These pants don't even restrict your movement. They are perfect for home workouts. This striped pink pajama from Lingerie cost, how I remember, $50, but I think it's worth it. My favorite color is pink, and I have many things in this color. This print of the stripes lifts my moods, and I have also bought the suits in other models. These night shorts with 2 pink hearts, $20. I really love this tenderly soft pink color. Wow, I really like these shades. They're so cute and comfortable. I like this trim of the edges of this dress. This pink night mask really suits well with this outfit. And I'm going to sleep. What do you think about it? Write in the comments. In my opinion, this is very helpful for your sleep. Use this mask. I really feel better during the nights when I wear it. I recommend. I bought this pajama with a cherry file prints from Zara Home. This is very comfortable. And so wonderful pins. These pajamas carry me back to my childhood. They depict fairy tale illustration of the festival, Alicorns, dragons and other fairy tale characters. This is so cute. The picture is beautifully woven and pleasing to the touch. Yesterday I bought this natural sleep mask. Unpacking. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful with hearts. So, it's nice to fall asleep and wake up in such a mask every day. Today I bought this wonderful scarf from Stradivarius, just from $15, and I plan to wear it on my hips as skirts. Something like this. I think it's a great idea for beach, for swimsuits. This scarf have very tenderly and good fabric. Oh no, this cost. It can also be worn on your shoulders. This scarf is made in a boho style. Don't forget to write in the comments which purchase you considered the best in this review. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I invite you in my Telegram channel and website. That's a lot of things about fashion. I showed you a lot of clothes from the new collection this spring. I hope in this clothing overview you have found something for your wish book.